Okay, so I took a little break and now I'm back to finish this whole process. All right, so right now it's in the off mode and I have this entry sensor that I want to activate, and then I want to do the camera. Yeah, dog got the screws. Don't make the screws loose, Yushemi. Go get the ball. Where's the ball? Go get the ball. Screws. And the sensor. Let's see here. Get it out of the package. And now there's two pieces to this. And I'm supposed to put them so they're within 2 inches of each other when it's locked down and armed. So that's easy enough. I should connect the device. Let's find out how to do that. Install your entry sensor. Line up the magnet and the sensor. Test it. And then to connect it, let's see, how do you connect the sensor to the system? Motion sensors. Install and name your devices with the keypad. Press button on a device, test and name. So does this thing have a button? I'll remove to activate the battery. And then it doesn't have a button on it. Let's see. Devices. Add device. Keypad. Add device. Add device entry. Add.
Press the button on the device you're adding.
Press test on top of the sensor.
Entry sensor. Added. Now choose a name.
Entry sensor added. Now choose a name. Front door.
Entry sensor. Named.
All right then. And then this. How do you set up the camera? Install the SimpliCam, slide the stand. It's with the app. Okay, let's see how much I can get done if I just slide it off and then take the cord. 10-foot cord, you know, it's a great start. It's a great start. Won't get you to the other side of anything exactly, but get you to the top of things and the other side of things and whatnot. In some cases. Alright, so plug this in. Fits neatly in there. So then the stand can still be connected. Looks like you string that through. All right. Oh, design looks pretty good so far. slide that back in. That fits very neatly. And then I take this and plug it into their box. All right. Plug this into the wall. And what do we have? It lights up. Okay, so now let's see. Add device.
Your camera is ready for setup. Follow the instructions in the SimpliSafe app to get started.
I don't have the app yet. Camera. Camera can be added to your system from the SimpliSafe app. They want me to get the app. Stand by, please.